To access the admin area, navigate to your account icon on the top right-hand corner of the page and select Site Admin. Within the admin, you'll find a comprehensive library of tools and features that allow you to manage various aspects of your site. Starting with the dashboard, you'll see standard widgets that give an overview of your site's performance. Next is Retail Customers. If this feature is enabled on your site, retail customer orders will populate here. You can edit customer details or add new retail customers as needed. Trade Accounts is where you'll find a list of your trade customers. You can edit account details, amend payment methods, and edit delivery addresses, which sync automatically from your accounting system. You can also upload account logos and assign shipping keys. New trade accounts can be created here as well. Under Agents, you can manage users from your sales team. Agents can log into the site and create orders on behalf of customers. You can add new agents and edit existing agent details. The Orders sections is where you will find all of the orders placed through your website. This area is particularly useful for troubleshooting any issues with order processing. In the GOb2b Pay section, you'll find a history of your payments. For further assistance on GOb2b Pay, please contact our support or customer success teams. Within Pricing, you can manage currency settings, especially useful if you work with multiple currencies for different customers. Under Reports, you'll find options to generate more customized reports. For example, you might create reports for monthly sales or order summaries. The Post section displays all posts, and it's another great tool for identifying any orders that aren't posting correctly to your accounting system. If needed, you can retry posting from here. This tool is often used by our support team for troubleshooting. Under Site Components, you'll find agreements used on your site, such as terms and conditions. You can also upload alternative documents to be referenced across the site. Payment methods can be managed here. You can enable or disable methods and update associated images. A library of image assets is available for download underneath if required. In Site Settings, you can set your site logos and upload a favicon. For additional information on each field, hover over the green information icon. The Theme Previewer is also available in the admin site. Here, you can select brand colors and update your site's theme within the Preferences section. For detailed guidance, refer to our dedicated Theme Previewer help video. Not all of these options will be available if you are using a custom template. Admin users are managed within Site Settings. Admin users can use the CMS and site appearance tools on the admin site. You can add new admin users by creating a new agent. These users will also automatically have agent permissions, allowing them to place orders on behalf of customers. The Cache section is another area used for troubleshooting. If you are experiencing incorrect pricing or stock levels on the site, or changes you have made to the site are not updating, we recommend clearing the relevant cache. Please avoid using the Rebuild Node Cache feature, as this is reserved for GOb2b use only. Under Tools, you'll find the Diagnostics page. Green ticks indicate that the integration is functioning correctly. If you're encountering issues, look for red crosses, which may signal a disruption in the site's operations. Please contact our support team who will investigate the issue. We also offer a selling restriction checker. While primarily used internally, you can use it to generate reports on product restrictions and make updates as needed. Please note that this feature is still under development. The Manage Redirects tool allows you to oversee current redirects and add new ones. Redirects can be entered individually or uploaded in bulk using a CSV file. Finally, at the bottom of the admin interface, you'll find links to help. This includes access to our support site, which opens in a new tab, and the Contact Support link, which takes you to AutoTask, where you can log in and raise a support ticket. For further information, please email our support team at support@GOb2b.com or our customer success agent on success@GOb2b.com.